Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you where to check for your tire pressure and tire size on a 2018 Mazda 3. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So on this vehicle, almost every manufacturer, the tire size and tire pressure for this car is located on the driver's door. You have the manufacturer's tag here, and then you have the tire tag. On this, it will tell you the tire size for front and rear, the spare, which is a space saver spare, and this is your tire pressures. I'm not in Europe, so I'm going to go with PSI. So I have 36 in the front, 36 in the rear, and there's my tire size if you ever need to know. So if you have a 2018 Mazda 3 Touring with the 215/45/18, tire pressure is 36 front and rear. Now I'm going to do the same to all other three, check all four tires.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.